Good morning, sir. We are Group 4 from 22D. Today we will present about the operation management of KFC. KFC is an American fast food based in Louisville, Kentucky by Colonel Harlan in 1952. The vision of KFC is to provide food in quick, presenting the caters to cost-conscious, health-conscious people. The mission of KFC is maximize profitability, improve shareholder value, and deliver sustainable growth year after year. Focus on enabling its business partners, staff, and customers in achieving their goals and fulfill the demand of customers. The essential function of KFC is marketing, media advertising, and customer survey. For the production or operation is on catering and cooking Western fast food. Lastly, finance and accounting is turning customer spend into operating costs and further market expansion. The operation strategy of KFC is order winner, order qualified. The taste and quality of food and convenience of takeaway are the qualified of KFC. For the order winner of KFC are unique chicken flavor, region cohesion, stable supply, and extended operation duration. Besides, KFC also focus on bringing delight to customer as emphasize the demand of all customers, no matter child, adult, or physically challenged customer.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURHANANI and now I will explain my part product and service offered. For product, KFC Malaysia have a same menu like the others KFC, but the different menu for fixed menu is the nasi lemak KFC. While for seasonal menu, there are menu that only come once a year or only once in a production, which is like golden egg chicken and Balinese crunch. While for services, there are 3 types of service that were provided, which is dine-in restaurant, food delivery, and food pickup.
Good morning to our lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is CHONG and number entry is 201240242. Today I will present about the process of production. Firstly is production. The extraction of raw resources to create a product is referred to as production. KFC use production to collect the component for the meal already being cooked to prepare the food. For example, farmers are working at the farmer and to produce the fresh vegetable like potato chips and so on. Number 2 is packaging. Packaging refers to the commodity treatment of the presenting stage items. Packaging is the process of preparing a product for distribution to customer. For example, the workers must have the experience skill because want to control the preservative for the shelf life. And lastly is distribution. Company distribute their product using resources such as truck, gas, and even other employees. They separate their works, which instructor will distribute the food and keep it in fresh, and the employees will send the customer meals at the restaurant.
Next is a capacity consideration. There are 4 things in the capacity consideration, which is the first one is to fulfill the customer demand accurately, which is the KFC high demand menu is the fried chicken. Second is match technology increment, sales value, while KFC use advanced technology for cooking the chicken, which they are baked them instead of fry. And the third one is operate based on optimum operating size, which is KFC use all the kind of resource that they have. And the last one is built for change. KFC were in the F&B industry for 70 years, so they were moving in line with the technology modernity, like having a delivery and drive-through.
My name is NURMAISARAH. We present about quality procedure. First, production. KFC will maintain their quality control procedure starting from the supply on the raw material. While for the packaging, KFC company have used their food container in the form of reusable food container. Second is service. There are 5 pieces of quality service KFC, which is tangible, empathy, reliability, responsiveness, and assurance. Last is management. There are 6 main dimensions of quality management at KFC, which is performance dimension, aesthetic dimension, reliability dimension, conformance dimension, durability dimension, and serviceability dimension.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYASYA binti Muhammad JEFRI. My matric number 201240889. Today I will present my part, which is location decision analysis of KFC. Location decision analysis. A location strategy is also a plan for acquiring the best site for a firm by determining their organization purpose, vision and objective, and searching for strategic location to serve their customers. The strategies of location decision analysis that involved which KFC employs a variety of strategies and concepts to locate the optimal site. The second is KFC's location in terms of human resources is to encourage exceptional customer service. And the last is the distance between the key suppliers and the KFC's restaurant is also a strategic consideration. Here are the factors that affect location of KFC. The first is political stability, the second is economic development, the third is exchange rates, the fourth is labor market conditions, and the last is financial market efficiency. The political stability, this is because stable and pleasing corporate climate which predictable market growth tendency is provided by high political stability. The second is academic development, which is a country's economic development has a direct impact on its organizational effectiveness. And the third is exchange rates, this is because the rate of GDP growth will impact KFC's capacity to pursue a long-term growth strategy. And the fourth is labor market condition, which is wage rate and the availability of skilled workers are determined by labor demands and supply. And the last is financial market efficiency, which is KFC's worldwide strategies are impacted by financial markets. Efficiencies is operating in highly efficient financial market leads to enhanced liquidity position and increased capacity to join new markets. Here are the factor rating method for KFC.
For the layout design, in layout design, KFC show all the part of place of production, place for drive-thru, dine-in, storage, counter, and place for child. While for the facility, coordination, and face-to-face communication, KFC will carefully place it in the right place for them to interact with their customer. For the human resource, first is recruitment. KFC believes it is important to build relationship with candidate through the hiring procedure. Second is performance. Sometimes KFC will give their worker award, and this will encourage employees to be more enthusiastic and productive in their job. Last is safety. KFC human resource is always active in employee safety issue, so the employee will feel comfortable to work.
Supply chain activities. Supply chain activities include planning, executing, and regulating the forward and reverse movement of raw material and finished goods at the right storage. It is essential to check the performance of the supply chain in order to account all logistic aspects. Adopt cost-cutting approach greatly cost the corporation. KFC act as the end user in supply chain, acquiring raw material to store and send. Customer satisfaction can only be assured if supply chain processfully exchange information. And extensive e-commerce available to KFC customer, example online ordering and payment, customer feedback, and complaint reports.
For design the operation and inflow chart, our group give 3 of flow chart.
Job description. First is operation activities used. KFC is known for its straightforward but effective management levels. Area manager liable for delivering training, leadership, operational assistant to KFC outlet located in specific geographic region. Assistant manager, general manager responsible for creating a vibrant and best work environment committed serving the best and good chicken at fast speed. Assistant manager, training manager assist to the operation restaurant. Is to ensure restaurant policies properly compiled. Customer service responsible for working in the service area and make sure the highest level of quality in product and service provided to customer. Second is technology use. KFC use ROS, restaurant-based ordering system, which is to reduce time that passes between taking orders and chef. Marketing and food innovation team with KFC food and global food strategy use a framework within the innovation freedom that market develop new product and create marketing calendars that meet the needs of customers.
For the conclusion, all KFC has the great operation management and they can absorb it truly in their work. KFC has done a lot in improving the quality of certain product in providing their service. In terms of hiring, KFC provide many opportunities even though KFC only provide fast food service to the public. This is a good sign and a positive value to the society to help those who want to generate income, especially in the current endemic situation faced by the world. Thank you, that's all from us.